the lonely duck that's always out here by herself. She has a partner now. Aww. Look at these babies. Love it. I had to share it. Update on the turtle hole or whatever. We're at the spot, as you can see, but we think something got the eggs. Because why is there a hole now? And egg pieces. This one still has a little bit of yolk in there. So
let me take a look at him.
I'm thinking a snake.
Let me take a
Dang
look.
it. Hello. So hello.
Got him. Oh, I got him. Yeah, I got him.
What we got? All right.
There is no way that was. Got him.
You got another one?
Yep.
Heck yeah.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
got him.
Got another one?
Yep. Oh, this one's little.
Dang, he taking it. Let me tell you. Yes, sir.
Oh. God, this actually might be one. No, this is the one. This is the one. This is the
Number
one.
6.
Dude, no, he's fighting. Oh,
Number 6.
number 6. Fell into that one. I'm just gonna say.
Number 7.
Oh, wow. Oh, he's fighting. He's fighting.
Number 7.
He's fighting. Look at him.
Yes,
Ooh,
sir. Number 7.
That's a. Yep. See? What did I say? What number is this?
Number 8.